Breathe in, breathe out. We, the rainforests, are the green guardians, providing refuge, sustenance, and healing. Through our foliage, roots, and soil, we share secrets and absorb carbon. Discover a world of gastronomic wonders. A symphony of notes and aromas await. Succulent fruits, captivating spices, rare herbs. Immerse yourself in this culinary haven. Let my leaves awaken your taste buds, while ancient recipes whisper in the air. Embrace the magic within my verdant splendor, where the rainforest unveils captivating flavors, full of promise.